So I'm here at Fremont Older Open Space Reserve at around 7:50. But as you could see, this early on Saturday morning, but the parking is almost occupied. So there's only several parking space to park. So let's come and see. So only one more handicap parking space open, and this one no more space, only one space left. So this one is for the resident vertical only. So and here's the way where you can go to the trail. Let's go up and see how it look like. So be careful with mountain lion. So I just go up to here. So I wish that you could come and check it out how it look like when you get all the way up there. So bye.